Welcome to Akureyri, Iceland's enchanting northern gem. Today we're uncovering a unique feature that sets this town apart. Its heart-shaped stoplights. Ever wondered why a town would choose such a design? Stay tuned to find out. In 2008, Iceland faced a significant financial crisis that impacted communities nationwide. Amidst the economic downturn, the residents of Akureyri sought ways to uplift their spirits and foster a sense of unity. As part of a family festival called Ein med Olu, which translates to one with everything, the town introduced heart symbols into their traffic lights. This initiative aimed to remind citizens of the importance of love and community during challenging times. Beyond its charming stoplights, Akureyri offers a plethora of attractions. The Akureyri Church, designed by Gudjon Samuelsson, stands as an architectural marvel. Don't miss the local cuisine. Cafes here serve delightful treats that reflect Icelandic flavors. Planning your visit? Akureyri is accessible via domestic flights from Reykjavik or by a scenic drive through Iceland's landscapes. The town experiences cold winters with snow, while summers are mild and pleasant. Engaging with locals can provide deeper insights into Akureyri's culture. Icelanders are known for their hospitality and warmth. Have you ever encountered unique features like Akureyri's heart-shaped stoplights in your travels? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you're enjoying this journey through Iceland's hidden gems, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures. Akureyri's heart-shaped stoplights are more than just traffic signals. They're a testament to the town's resilience and sense of community. Thanks for joining us on this heartfelt journey. Until next time, happy travels!